can't believe the baby shower is over.
People who RSVP'd literally last night. Printing on my Cricut, and I love this thing. It's amazing. Boom! This is the sign that we got from Staples. I'm so happy how that came out. We just added this too. Every table has like their questions where it says sprinkle chat. 34. 34 weeks pregnant. And it's literally like 1 and 2. Oh my god, this is crazy. If I could wear this to the baby shower, I would. Good morning. It's the morning of our baby sprinkle. I am tired. I got out the shower. I touched my face. And I got my hair straightened yesterday. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. It's 7 a.m. I've been up since like 6:30, I think. I'm honestly like about to do my makeup and I'm like, I don't even know what to do first. I'm so anxious, full of emotions, full of like things to do right now. Like my checklist is like long. I'm figuring it out. We're figuring it out this morning. I just want to make sure I do everything I need to do before I get Kennedy up or she wakes up. So it's like go time. So I'm gonna do my makeup, I'll touch base, I'll touch back in a bit. I think I'm gonna load up my car and stuff. So full of emotions. Oh my god, it's crazy. Okay, so face is done. It looks good. I think I'm gonna put on a lip. What I'm working on right now is I had some last minute people who RSVP'd literally last night. So what I'm doing is, since I made gift cards, I don't know if I shared this or showed this, but like things leading up to like preparing for it, I made a lot of signage myself, which I think it's so cool. But anyway, because it's custom, I have to make sure I have like everyone's name. So I'm making these like not gift card, for like the gameplay, like when they play games. Oh, I think I need to fix that more, but it is what it is. Because we're giving them like everyone game cards and their families, like we have to, I'm gonna give them like a wallet for it. But the issue is it's custom. So that's where the problem is, because I have to make sure everyone has like their name custom on the card. Sorry, I'm multitasking and this is hard. But I'm creating it right now. Even though I'm like, I made extra like, just that it says like, it's a jersey. It says boy 25 on it. I'm like, I think I have 2 minutes to cut it, even though I really don't. It's taking a while to download. Okay, here we go. Let's also take a minute. Let's also take a minute to make the baby boy. If I could wear this to the baby shower, I would. I would, because I would. Comfort is key. Comfort is key. Alright, let me print this out. So if I haven't shown this before, I'm gonna just printing on my Cricut, and I love this thing. It's amazing. Boom! Bada bing. I'm debating. Should I do a nude lip? These are the liners. A nude lip, rosewood, or hot pink. I don't know, so I'm gonna bring both. But I may just bring this with like lip gloss and stuff in it. My basement literally has everything. Love it. I'm just in time for my Cricut to be done. Praise God. Look how cute these wallets are. So you put it in here. It says their name and then like how many cards they're gonna get, their family, and then thank you for celebrating baby boy with us on the bottom. And I just put it right here. And it's so cute. I'm starving. You excited, babe?
Of course, ready to party.
I know, I'm so happy the balloons came on time.
Oh, she's happy.
And that all the cards that Jay's doing. Wait, did you speak to Owen?
Nah, he's coming right now.
Okay, because our card count is off. This is the sign that we got from Staples. Hey, familia! And it says boy. We just added this too. Then over here, I put the predictions. So cute! So fun. And these balloons, oh my god, I thought I didn't have enough and it's perfect. Oh, and then every table has like their questions where it says sprinkle chat, and then it says, do you have any childhood family pets? And then it's a fun fact about us, or what was your favorite trip you took as a child or as a kid. So each table has something different, which is so cute, and it's just like a little added nod to the theme. I'm so happy how that came out. Of course y'all are over here. What did I expect? Hey! Yeah!
I can't believe the baby shower is over. It was so nice. I'm so tired. Let me just actually wait till Jay gets back in the car. Say what
Can you tell everybody Mommy is 34 weeks pregnant today?
4.
34! 34 weeks pregnant today. And we're gonna put baby brother's crib in your room.
Yeah, because he's going to sleep with me.
Yes, he is! Yay! So we're preparing to move all of his toys into the living room right now, and Daddy's gonna help. And we just had an amazing baby shower. Sprinkle. It was so good. But now it's time to get his room ready, to get the hospital bag ready soon-ish. Gotta figure that out. But it's go time. Yes. Johnny's in the back. And let's do this. Everyone said that I dropped, which is crazy to hear. It's so funny because everyone wrote like their predictions of like when the baby's gonna come, and it's literally like tomorrow, they're saying. But a lot of it was July, okay. A lot of it was July 15th, July 20th, July 22nd, and then July 25th. So it's a little scattered all over the place, but it was kind of consistent with those 4 numbers, so we shall see. I feel like I'm gonna pop it tomorrow because he is heavy. This is what Kennedy's room looks like before the crib goes in. This is her nursery. Okay, it is a little messy. We have clothes and everything on the floor, but this is her changing table area that she had, but we never put the Kikaroo away, even though she stopped using it for like a really long time, even though Dad loved that thing. Then that's her bed. It's going to stay the same. That's her laundry I have to put away. Those are her toys I have to figure out. We'll probably move that in the living room for now. Kennedy's on the rocking chair. That rocking chair is the best from Target. And yeah, so that's going to come out. This is going to move over, and then his crib will go right here. We have the baby shower over there. I'm just washing the cover on that. And I got to figure out homes for certain things. But this is the last time that we're going to see Kennedy's room like this, Jay.
It's over.
Honey, I would have cleared out that walkway. Yes, Daddy's so fast. Let's see how it looks. Because this was just an idea. CJ, that looks good, right?
Yeah.
Boom.
Now all her baskets. Alright, now it's time to move this bad boy over.
Get the glass.
I can't lay back.
Oh, you want it more? So I have to so it'll be on the carpet then, okay?
Yeah.
Alright. So move it up.
I can lay on it. I can lay on it.
Let's see.
I can lay on it.
Does that feel too high?
Can lay on
Nah.
it.
You don't think so? Oh my gosh, Kenny.
Can lay on it.
You wanna lay in there?
Yeah.
You can. You have me very nervous with this chair here, actually. Jay, doesn't she have you nervous with the chair?
I'll try to weaken the thing. This is gonna be
What are you gonna be doing in there?
Can lay on it.
No, that's not for you.
You gotta hold daddy.
Can I lay on it.
I gotta hold you just in case you fall.
It's all like.
So we just had it horizontal and we moved it vertical, and you're still able to open up the closet door. And it's literally like 1 and 2. Oh my god, this is crazy. And then this is the rocking chair. The reason why it's so far out is because I would need to recline it and without it hitting the window. But I may just push it back for now. That way I could put like a little side table for feeding, and I have like a little dresser I could bring from downstairs, and that way, yeah, I could put all like my feeding stuff, like my breast pump and whatnot right here. And we have like a little, the only thing is Kennedy likes to climb, so that's what I'm really nervous about, is her climbing up this and trying to join him. Jesus, man. But yeah, this is crazy.